Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video for Limit Solutions. And in this video I'm going to talk about how you can fix if the taskbar icons are incoming for you in your Windows 11 machine. So to fix this issue, all you have to do is that just go to Windows search bar and here type like registry editor. And if you're not getting this option here, all you can do is that type run. So once you type run here, you just have to in this text box, you have to type regedit and then click on OK. So once you click on OK, the registry editor window will open up, and on the left hand side here you can see here we're getting lot of folders, and we just have to go to local machine, /local machine, and once we expand this option folder, we have some sort of other folders. We'll have to go to software, and here on the software we'll have to go to Microsoft, and under the Microsoft we'll have to search for a folder that is basically Windows. So once we go to the Windows, you can use shortcut button, you can use a button W in order to find the folder. So once you expand Windows, you will be getting another lot of folders, and here we have current version. So once you expand current version folder here, you'll have to find a folder that is shell. So you can use S button in order to find it quickly, and here we have shell folder. So once we expand this folder, here we have update folder, and after expanding the update folder we have packages. So just select package and come to the right window here, and here all you have to do is that right click on it and then go to new, and here we have dword 32-bit value. Just click on it, and now we have to name it as undocking disabled. And once we do that, we just have to double click on it in order to open it, and here you can see that the value data is already set to 0 and we have to change it to 1. And once we're done with it, just click OK and then close the registry editor, and now restart your machine. And once you restart your machine, the issue will be fixed. So this is how you can basically fix the issue, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to subscribe, and then Saurav here, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.